friends, welcome back to Unicorn Diary.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Then today also we came with another new handwork. Therefore I have invited Princess Marida and Odara. They also joining me. ඉතින් අදත් අපි ආරම්භ කරන්න හදන්නේ අලුත් handwork එකක්. මේ handwork එක අපි කරන්නේ Children's Day එක වෙනුවෙන්. So we are going to make a nice handwork for the Children's Day. Then Princess Marida, what are we going to make today? Yes, as you can see, we are going to make a beautiful photo frame like this. ඉතින් අපි අද හදන්නේ photo frame එකක් Children's Day එකට. Okay, shall we start? Then first of all, I will show you what are the things that we need. Odara, can you show?
Cardboard,
Ruler,
pencil, A4 sheets,
a paper cutter,
pair of scissors, glue bottle, and letters.
and some letters. You can cut the Children's Day wording with the letters. Okay, let's start. First, we are going to cut the cardboard shape.
Teacher,
Yes.
Princess Marida is doing very well.
Yes. We have drawn a rectangle. Then you can cut along the lines like this. Okay, now we are going to remove that rectangular shape. Yes. Next, we are going to paste the A4 sheet around the cardboard like this. We used here white color, but you can use your favorite colors. ඔයාගේ දුව පුතා ආස කලර් එකක් වට යූස් කරන්න පුළුවන් මේකට. Odara, have you ever made a photo frame like this?
No.
Okay, then you can try out it.
I can't make it alone.
Your mummy will help you.
Yeah, actually.
And we can get the Princess Marida's help too.
Yeah.
We are covering the cardboard like this. Okay, then we have finished covering one side of the photo frame. Odara, is it the front side?
I think so.
I also think so. Now we don't want to buy any photo frames from the shops. Odara. We can make them from our own. Right, then we made a cross in the middle of the photo frame like this. Then we are cutting around the cross.
Teacher,
Yes,
I like doing handworks.
me too. So you can try out a photo frame.
You and Princess Marida and me.
Yes. Okay, from the four corners, we have cut. The extra parts of the white paper also you can cut and remove like this. Okay, then we can cover the photo frame like this. You can use any of these hardboards to make a photo frame. Disposable milk powder boxes, box boards. Not only the cardboards. She's cutting some strips. Odara, what do you think? Why she's cutting them? She's going to paste them between the photo frame.
Let's see.
Yeah. I got it. Then the front we will emboss. After pasting those strips.
What is meaning of emboss?
Emboss means like this. Can you see? The strips she has pasted between the front side and the back side.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now we have finished making the structure of the photo frame.
Now it's time for the letters.
Yes. Let's paste the letters like this. First, what letter?
C.
C.
Then H.
H.
Then I.
I.
Next, it is D.
No.
And L.
Yes. C H I L.
D. next is D.
Yes, it's D.
Next is R.
Yes, it's R.
And E.
What are those letters, Odara?
Capital.
Yes, capital letters. Can you tell your friends the letters?
CHILDRENS.
Yes.
P.
No, it's not P.
D.
Yes, D. Children's Day.
A. And the next is
D. A.
Y.
Yes.
Some boys and girls.
Yes. She's pasting some children.
Yeah. What a nice children are they?
Yeah. Okay.
Now it's me.
Yes. Who is in the photograph?
I.
Yes. Now we can insert a photo there. Here we go. Happy Children's Day, Odara. A gift from Princess Marida and me. Okay, show it to your friends. Then my children, you also can try out a beautiful photo frame like this. ඉතින් ඔයාලටත් පුළුවන් ගෙදරදී මේ වගේ ලස්සන photo frame එකක් හදන්න. Children's Day එකට, Teachers Day එකට. නේද? Okay. Then for the day, we are going to end the session. Thank you so much, Princess Marida and Odara. See you guys with the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, friends.